All right, y'all. Okay. I know that today that business combos and coffee is well past 9 a.m. ish, but it is 9 a.m. somewhere in the world. So here we are going live. And today's topic is why, oh, why did you file a tax extension and how you can best use the extra 6 months from filing the tax extension to lower your taxable income. All right, that's what we're going to cover today. And we're going to start out with the two main reasons that people actually file tax extensions. And I'm going to give you guys that right away. Either they're not ready to file, and let's talk about what that looks like, or it's a tax strategy. So, which one is it for you? We're going to talk about it in just a minute. All right. So, do you have your coffee? I got my little Task Plus 365 coffee mug. And you know what? Monday was the actual tax deadline, the first tax deadline. And you have a new tax deadline if you filed an extension. And I thought that it was critical to come here and just cover what you should be doing with the extra time. I know that what me and my team are doing with the extra time, we are definitely pushing to get our clients done because for some reason this year, it seems like more people file extensions in the midst of the pandemic when people were getting documents delivered to their home when they're actually at home. No one was really trying to gather their tax documents because it seems like people were making money here in this pandemic and just didn't file their taxes on time. So look, if you've been watching me, you know that I have some tips for filing extensions, and I'm going to give them to you and remind you guys of that today. But bottom line is the main reasons why people file extensions is because they're simply not ready to file. And secondly, it's a tax strategy. So let's talk about what that strategy is and what it actually looks like initially, right? When I say that it's a tax strategy, a lot of people don't know that when you actually file a tax extension, it gives you more time. Yes, 6 more months to file your extension. It also gives you 6 more months to put money into your retirement account and actually lower your taxable income by the amount you put in your tax account. So that's one of the strategies that I actually implement and apply for my clients who need to put some money away so that it doesn't get taxed, but need more time to put that money actually into the IRA. So one of the high level strategies that I advise is for my business owners to have on standby a SEP, that's SEP, self-employment plan, IRA, so that you can put up to 25% of your income, a maximum of $58,000 for 2021, I believe, into that retirement account, meaning that it won't get taxed. Now, listen, in retirement, when you pull the money out, the money is then taxed. Remember, we live in the United States of America, and when you earn income, a percentage is applied, which is your income tax rate, to that income for your HOA fee for living here in the United States. So I hear a lot of my retirees saying, well, why do I have to pay taxes on my retirement? Why does it take so long to pay? Why do I owe so much? And I'm in retirement. You owe in retirement when you make money and when you earn money. You owe in death if you earn money and make money. You owe taxes until you leave this green earth. You even owe taxes when you leave this green earth. Okay. So taxes is something that we got to get familiar with. And if you weren't with me at the Tax-Hack-a-Thon last week or the week before, it's a week before, get the replay. My birthday is coming up in the next couple of weeks. Well, not a couple of weeks. I'm sorry. My birthday is coming up in 5 days. Okay. 5 days. And I'm going to be running a special on the, thank you. And so my birthday is coming up in 5 days. And for my birthday, I'm going to be running the Pocket More Profit Tax-Hack-a-Thon replay because I know that it will bless your socks off and it will get your taxes down lower. Okay. I'm going to run it because my birthday is on the 27th of April. The replay will be $27. The replay is normally $47. And then if you get the replay with the tax analysis and you want to get started with our team, it's $2.99. All right. So look, let's get back into the bottom line, which is the main two reasons why people file tax extensions. Number one, I already said, was tax strategy. And then but my second reason is you're simply just not ready. Okay. And I want to talk about what does not ready look like, right? Not ready is your numbers are not ready, right? You're missing tax documents. You're missing the wage and income transcript. So if you're missing tax documents, like you don't know where your tax documents are, or so-and-so company didn't send the tax documents to you, here's what you can do. If you did not get the tax document and you think you should have, and you're not sure if the company filed it for you, this is what you should do. Go to www.irs.gov, that's gov, and log into what's called your e-services account. E is an elephant. Get into your e-services account and generate your wage and income transcript. Okay, there's a caveat here. Okay, when you go in to get your wage and income transcript for 2021, if you do it in April, it won't be there. Okay, the wage and income transcript for 2021 probably won't populate in your e-services account until June or July later on in the year. Okay, so if this is you and you're not sure and you want to be cautious and wait, I would recommend go ahead, schedule your appointment to get your taxes done in August, right? Get that e-services, go into e-services, get your wage and income transcript so you're sure you're filing all your income. Or you could get your numbers right, get your accounting right, and just add up the number that you was paid from your bank statement. Okay. So if you got it, you probably deposited into your account. Get your numbers ready. Okay. All right. The other thing is if you're missing tax documents and you're missing like something as simple as your W-2, then you should go ahead and contact your employer and ask them for your W-2. They'll probably email it to you. Make sure your address was right, or log into your employer payroll for your employee payroll portion and download your W-2s and save them into a folder. Okay. Lastly, if you're missing tax documents from your bank, that's like investment statements, mortgage statements, contact your bank. Go online, log into the online account and look for the tax form section. It is there. Okay. Don't just not be ready because you're missing tax documents or your numbers aren't ready, right? The last reason why people are not ready, and this may be to me the main reason, is people are scared. They're just scared that they might owe. They're just scared that they might be missing tax documents. They're just scared that their numbers aren't right. So overall, if you're scared to file or you're just delaying filing, let's get it done. Let me help you. Let's get started. Just go to accountantthisway.com. That's where our extension filing is still up. You cannot file an extension, but it is the same $150 to get started with us, and we'll switch that out for next week. My team has been, we've been kind of just slowing down just so we can get ourselves together. All right. So the question I have for you guys before I delay, because I'm going to my baby's spelling bee, hopefully I'm not missing it. All right. All right, they're already late, Laura, child. Don't worry about not being late. Y'all late. If you haven't filed your taxes and didn't file an extension, you are late. Okay. All right. So looking back over here, I want to tell you guys what does not ready look like? Okay. Not ready says your numbers are not tallied for personal tax deductions. You haven't added up your business tax deductions. You don't have accounting system. You're not ready. Okay. You're not ready if your business, bank, and credit card accounts in your accounting system has not yet been reconciled. You're not ready. Don't file the taxes. Make sure you get your numbers right. You're also not ready if you have not sent your tax documents lastly and finally to your accountant so we could do a taxable income analysis so that you can at least get your tax liability paid for 2021. That's if you can afford to pay it. If you can't afford to pay it and you know you're going to need an installment agreement, let's get the taxes filed. Let's get that installment agreement processing. Let's get this ball rolling so that we can get you done and you can just relax, let your hair down, and not be just bothered with, the stress of, is my taxes done yet? Okay. All right, y'all. That's what I have for you guys. Get the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp Tax-Hack-a-Thon birthday special price. Go to pocketmoreprofitbootcamp.com. The replays are going to be loading. You'll be a member of Pocket More Profit. You'll have access to the replays. For 90 days, or actually, I'm going to give you guys access to the Pocket More Profit Tax Hackathon all the way through the end of this year. So come on, get these tips that you need. I got 5 more days to my birthday. Go ahead and get it now. Get it today. We're going to update that price for Monday. I think my birthday is on Tuesday or Wednesday, and we're going to make this thing happen. All right, y'all. I love you. My name is Spiceda Jackson. For those of you who don't know me, who may just be watching me for the first time, I am the CEO and founder of X Financial Inc. We are at xfinancialcpa.com, and we are the accountants that you love. All right. We want you to work with us. You can connect with me via the link tree. I would love to see my website up there, xfinancialcpa.com. You guys go ahead and go to the website. If you have friends that need help and need an accountant, go to xfinancialcpa.com. You can even catch my older blogs in my blog section. If you want to find out how to immediately lower your taxes, get the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. But for now, I will see you guys again next Friday. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Spiceda Jackson. I am the accountant that you love. And until next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that is up. All right, bye, y'all.